I'd like to welcome all of you to the 17th edition of Kalpavriksha. Kalpavriksha means wish fulfilling tree. It's a 2-day national level CME program for postgraduates. First of all, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Rajesh Lakhani, Chairman, Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, for graciously accepting our invitation and being here. Welcome, sir. We would like to be supportive of whatever initiative we take. We welcome.
Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to welcome Chief Guest for this afternoon, Mr. Rajesh Lakhani, IAS, Chairman, Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, under the most prestigious government, DMK government. Sir got delayed a bit because I was told that he had a meeting, urgent meeting by the district collector. So as long as he's here, I think we are very happy to you. My first thing I want to tell you all, especially to the press, is Kalpavriksha is a very known word which means a wishful tree, which is mentioned a lot in the Hindu scriptures. It is said that whoever sits under this tree and wishes for something, the wish. So with this connection, also nowadays, there are also a lot of Kalpavriksha trees which are available everywhere for health, wealth, prosperity and good luck. And I also read somewhere that in the Yamuna river, one Kalpavriksha tree was found recently. With this, I will come to the actual Kalpavriksha, which is nothing but the 17th CME program, which started in the year 2007, and it has been continuously conducted by us for the last 17 years, and it is a national CME program which is going to be conducted for 2 days. The main thing for this program is this time we have a wet lab which the students are now enjoying it, in which a lot of new techniques are being taught to them, and tomorrow there will be also a quiz program, and also there will be a case presentation for the first rank, and the winner is going to get a prestige.
We have 250 eager postgraduate students coming here for 2 days, and that too from 35 different cities. That's very good to know. So Kalpavriksha has really spread its roots deep and wide. I think it's a real pleasure for all of you to be here, because these 2 days will encompass most of the important lectures that pertain to ophthalmology, especially from the point of view of examination, and inclusion of wet lab and case presentation, etc. will further add to the merit of Kalpavriksha. Congratulations to Agarwal, and thank you all for being here. Thanks so much.
Doctors of the dais, budding doctors, budding ophthalmologists sitting here for a CME. I don't know what is, how come for a CME of post-graduation I am invited, because suppose I have post-graduation in something else, of electricity, and I have the electricity board. And perhaps I think the connection is that both of us look after light. You look after the rights of humans, and I look after the rights of the citizens of the state. Maybe that is the connection. Or the other connection is that I am a patient of Dr. Agarwal's eye hospital for 40 years or maybe 25 years. That may be another connection. Or the third connection is that I am a typical I was running in the third or fourth generation in my family, that all the male folks are engineers and all the female folks are doctors. I don't know, but whatever way it is, I'm really privileged to come, because Agarwal Eye Hospital I've been visiting year on year for my annual diabetic checkup and eyes, because I'm wearing glasses for all 40 years. But CME somehow I don't like, because I know PG, CME and all. I joke with my wife and daughter, the CME is continuously missing enjoyment, not continuously. Because you really work very hard, and all the Latins and our Latin I don't understand, you may understand better. But I just like to say, because most of them here, I see a lot of women's here, and I think ophthalmology, any hospital you go, I see lady doctors too many. Maybe you have chosen the work-life balance only in the career, that perhaps that is the reason. But I think whatever you do, I think for me, if I switch off, if there's a problem, I am slightly careless, only the lights of the city will go. But if you are slightly careless, I don't want to talk what will happen. So I request your concentration and sincerity. I am not talking about the knowledge. Knowledge anyway, you are ophthalmologist, you are doing PG, so you have been through a line of multiple leads, and obviously you are best among and you have chosen that facility. But how do you keep mind tension free and stress free? Not tension, because
இது வந்து 17th Kalpavriksha program conducted by Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital and Eye Research Center, which is actually a research wing of and part of Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital. 17th, we started in 2007. Kalpavriksha வந்து Hindu scripturesல ஒரு tree இருக்கு. This is called a divine wish fulfilling tree. Divine tree ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, which is mentioned in the not only in the Hindu scriptures, in the Buddhism and also in Jainism scriptures. இதில் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா, இந்த ட்ரீக்கு கீழே நீங்கள் உட்காந்துட்டு என்ன விஷ் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அந்த விஷ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு டெஃபினட்டாக ஃபுல்ஃபில் ஆகும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தட் இஸ் வை இட் இஸ் கால்ட் அ விஷ் ஃபுல்ஃபில்லிங் ட்ரீ. ஸோ வாட் டு வி டூ ஹியர்? நம்ம வந்து ஒரு 35 cities-ல இருந்து we gather the students for the CME, National CME program. This must be the biggest national CME program conducted in India, which is going on for the last 17 years. So I have experts like Santosh Hanover and the other people who are helping me, Dr. Soundri, Dr. Preeti, Dr. Ramya, Dr. Divya Ashok, and I had lot of speakers all over for morning who are going to give 2 days of their time to this CME program. In the 2 days, என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, experts வந்து lectures கொடுப்பாங்க. So all the students who are wishing to be experts in ophthalmology, they have to be here for 2 days and to learn. So நிறைய வந்து அவங்களுக்கு experts வந்து நிறைய சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. புதுசாக இந்த வாட்டி என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், ஒரு வெட் லேப் நம்ம ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். வெட் லேப்னா அனிமல் ஐஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு அதில் உங்களுக்கு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண வைப்பாங்க. டாக்டர் சுமதி ஃப்ரம் போரூர் இஸ் இன் சார்ஜ் ஹியர். இதில் வந்து கேட்ராக்ட் ஆப்ரேஷன் எப்படி பண்ணணும், எஸ்ஐசிஎஸ் கேட்ராக்ட் ஆப்ரேஷன் என்ன, இதில் எப்படி கட் பண்ணிட்டு கேட்ராக்ட் எடுக்கலாமான்னு அது சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாங்க இந்த வெட் லேப்ல. அப்புறமா ஃபேக்கோ எமல்சிஃபிகேஷன், பெரிய கட் போடாமல் சின்ன கட் 2.8 mm போட்டு எப்படி பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. லெக்சர்ஸில் வந்து வி ஹேவ் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் லெக்சர்ஸ் லைக் க்ளூட் ஐவல், pre-decimal endothelial keratoplasty, oculoplasty, we have oncology, we have so many other things. Retina, we have Dr. Manoj Khatri from our hospital who is going to give us lectures on retina. So everything will be covered in these 2 days. So when the students, before they go back, because they are all the exam going students, before they go back, அவங்க வந்து எல்லாமே வந்து இந்த 2 நாள்ல கத்துட்டு போய் அவங்க ரெடியா இருப்பாங்க லெக்சர்ஸ் எக்ஸாம் எழுதுறதுக்கு. That is the idea of a CME program which is called Kalpavriksha.
How many